Hello, this is Miss Norris, principal at Iron Horse Middle School, and I would like to review with you the drop-off and pickup procedures. Here you will find a map of our campus and the surrounding areas. Please ensure that you do not drop off your students in the Vista San Ramon neighborhood along Woodland and the surrounding streets. You may not drop off your students on the sidewalk on Al Costa either. Along the edge of the campus, it's a no stopping. Passenger loading and unloading is not allowed. There is no stopping because this is a bike lane. Dropping off your child here is illegal. There are 3 driveways that you will see along Al Costa. Driveway number 1 is closed and has cones closing off that area. This is not a drop-off area, and you may not enter or exit campus from this driveway during school hours. You can continue to travel northbound all the way to driveway 2, which is our main campus entrance, and drop off your child by turning right into campus and proceeding into area 1, following traffic all the way around, avoiding dropping off here as this bottleneck area will prevent traffic from flowing. It's marked in red, so you may not drop your child off here. You must continue on to lane 1, where it is a white curb. Pull forward as far possible as you can. We have different gates that your child can enter, so please continue to drive all the way up to the gym area to the next stopped car. Please do not stop and drop your child off in front of the school for convenience unless there is a health reason. All traffic must proceed as far forward as possible to drop off their child. Once your child is dropped off, please merge into lane 2 or 3 to continue on to exit campus. At no time should students be dropped off in lane 2 or lane 3. Neither should cars go from lane 2 or 3, merge back into lane 1 to drop off their student. Once your student is dropped off at the white curb, which ends here, then you may proceed to driveway number 2 to exit campus and turn left or go straight. At no time should you be turning right out of driveway 2. This area is blocked off to ensure the safety of students crossing the street. We do not have a crossing guard, so to protect the safety of our students, no cars are allowed to turn right here. Another way that you can exit if you are not wanting to turn left and you want to exit the school and turn right, you must proceed from lane 1 all the way into area 2, travel northbound across the parking lot to driveway number 3. Driveway number 3 is the only place where you can turn right and exit the parking lot. Please do not turn right, as I said once again, from driveway number 2. If you are entering campus from driveway 2 and you do not want to drop your child off, but you would like to park to drop them off, you may continue around the traffic circle and go directly into area 2. Park in this area. Please do not allow your child to cross the parking lot without an adult chaperone. If you are going to park, walk your child across the street because we do not have crossing guards for your child's safety. Once you have dropped your child off, please proceed to driveway 3 and exit. If you do not want to drive your child onto campus, the other areas to drop your child off are the intermodal parking lot behind the school, or you are welcome to use the public parking lots at Central Park or City Hall area. If you are traveling southbound on Al Costa and you turn left into the parking lot, you follow the same procedures of proceeding through area 1 to drop off your child in lane 1, or you can continue into the traffic circle. It is very important that you do not stop in the red area and drop your child off, because that creates gridlock here and cars get stuck in the turning lane, blocking all traffic. So please proceed all the way through the traffic circle, all the way into area 2 to drop off your child. If you do not want to park, you must pull into this inlet area, drop off your child quickly, and let them out. Please make sure your child has your belongings with them so they do not have to get out and go into the trunk to get their belongings unless it is absolutely necessary. Thank you so much for abiding by these safety procedures to ensure that students can get to school safely and not worry about traffic. Please ensure that you respect our community members by not using their driveways and their streets for drop off and pickup. Thank you.